Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends what you'll love, or how your phone unlocks just by seeing your face? Behind all of that is something called machine learning, a term that sounds high-tech, but it's actually based on a simple idea. Computers can learn patterns from data and use those patterns to make predictions. In this BytePlain video, let's break down how machine learning actually works, in plain language. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence, but it doesn't involve consciousness or creativity. It's more like giving a computer a huge stack of examples and teaching it to spot patterns. Imagine you're teaching a machine what a cat looks like. You show it thousands of images: cats in baskets, cats on rooftops, blurry cats, sleeping cats. Over time, it starts recognizing the common patterns: 2 ears, whiskers, fur texture, and maybe a certain shape. It doesn't know what a cat is the way you do. It just learns the statistical patterns that usually mean cat. This is the core idea of machine learning. Feed in data, learn patterns, make predictions. So how exactly does a machine learn? It all starts with a training dataset. Basically, a giant collection of labeled examples. Let's say we want to train a system to detect spam emails. We feed it thousands of emails, each one labeled spam or not spam. Then the machine tries to find patterns. Maybe spam emails often mention free money or come from suspicious domains. It builds a model, like a giant equation, that says, if I see these words or patterns, this is probably spam. At first, the machine guesses wrong a lot, but we let it make mistakes, compare its guesses to the correct answers, and then adjust. This cycle is called training, and it happens millions of times. By the end, the machine gets pretty good at spotting spam, even ones it's never seen before. That's the magic of generalization. There are a few main types of machine learning. First, supervised learning. This is the most common. You give the machine both the input and the correct answer, like teaching it to recognize cats or detect spam. Next, unsupervised learning. Here, the machine gets no answers. It just tries to find hidden patterns. Think of it like grouping similar songs based on mood or tempo, even without knowing their genre. And then there's reinforcement learning. This is more like training a dog. The machine takes actions and gets rewards or penalties. It's how AI learns to play chess, balance robots, or control self-driving cars. Machine learning is everywhere. When YouTube suggests your next video, that's machine learning. When your email filters out spam, machine learning. When a bank flags a suspicious transaction, again, machine learning. It powers voice assistants, translation tools, self-driving cars, even the camera filters on your phone. Sometimes, it works so well that we forget it's even there. Machine learning is powerful, but it's not flawless. It only knows what you teach it. If the data is biased, incomplete, or flawed, the system will learn those same flaws. That's why some facial recognition systems work better for certain people than others. The machine simply wasn't trained on enough diverse faces. So while machines can learn, they don't always learn the right thing. So next time Spotify nails your mood or your phone predicts your next word, now you know why. It's not magic. It's just machine learning, pattern, prediction, and repetition. Thanks for watching BytePlain, where we explain tech in plain language. Subscribe for more simplified deep dives into the tech all around you.